The CUPRA Raval, set to go into production in 2025, is an electric hatchback boasting an approximate range of 273 miles. This vehicle was a highlight at the Munich Motor Show, not just for its electric capabilities, but also for its design that aims to cater to a new generation seeking something urban, rebellious, and 100% electric. Named after a Barcelona neighborhood, the Raval will be manufactured in Martorell, Spain. The car's design is characterized by its angular aesthetic, triangular headlights, and edgy air curtains. In terms of performance, the Raval is built on the MEB Small entry platform, powered by a front-mounted electric motor that produces 223 horsepower. This allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds and offers a range of up to 273 miles. Interestingly, these specifications closely mirror those of the Volkswagen ID.2all concept. The Volkswagen ID GTI concept garnered significant attention at the Munich Motor Show. However, it was the CUPRA Raval that stood out as a unique electric hatch. The Raval concept is a precursor to the production model slated for a 2025 release. Its design is intended to resonate with a younger audience, eager for a vehicle that embodies urban and rebellious vibes while being entirely electric. The choice of name, Raval, is inspired by a vibrant neighborhood in Barcelona, emphasizing its urban appeal. Furthermore, the decision to manufacture the vehicle in Martorell, Spain, strengthens its European roots and connection. Aesthetically, the Raval is a blend of modern design elements. It sports angular features, triangular headlights, and distinctive air curtains. These are complemented by a prominent intake and what seems to be carbon fiber cladding. While certain elements like the carbon fiber might not make it to the production model, the overall design is expected to retain a mix of soft curves juxtaposed with sharp lines. Another design feature that might see a toned-down version in the production model is the rear end, which currently boasts a large diffuser and an exaggerated spoiler. In terms of dimensions, the Raval measures 158.7 inches in length, making it slightly shorter than the Ibiza by 1.1 inches. The vehicle's foundation is the MEB Small entry platform, which supports its front-mounted electric motor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.